is Tay Rosé. Now this video features this very beautiful cotton candy-ish makeup tutorial. It's almost like a halo eye. I mean, I love it so dearly. And plus two, I got this lip combination that I've been rocking. So if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look and the lip products I used to get this lippy, then keep watching. Alright, so I mean, how this eye look is going to go, see how my purple and pink are positioned? It's going to be like a mirror, so it's going to be the opposite as what I'm going to do. Okay, so I mean, in the center of my halo or spotlight section, I had applied this opal pigment that I ordered not too long ago. I mean, you can use any opalescent or iridescent like pigment eyeshadow that you have, or if you really want to use what I used, then I'll find this and I'll make sure to put this in the description box below. I'm all set with my eyes. Of course, you see the mirroring effect. I'm gonna go in with some lashes to tie this all together, and I'm going to be using lashes by Giselle in the style number 32. I'm going to pop these bad boys on, finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back at you with the lips. So I'm going to move on to my lips, and now this lippy that I'm doing, this has been my current lip combo, so I just felt the need to share it with you, and I feel like this would be essential and or perfect for this makeup look anyway. So now the first product I will be delving into is this MAC lip pencil, and this is in the shade Cork. Another close dupe to this, which I've talked about previously, is the NYX Slim Lip Pencil, and that is in the shade Brown. The next product in which I will be delving into is this liquid lipstick, and this is by Makeup Revolution London. This is a matte, and this is in the shade Ballerina. I talked about this briefly too on my channel, and it was part of a review with Makeup Revolution. I'll put that in the cards above. Okay, there are times also when my lipstick or my liquid lipstick will go into the liner, and so that's not a fuss, it's not a big deal. All I do is reline my lip using the same MAC lip pencil in Cork. So yes, this is my lip combination. If you want to add a lighter shade to your lips, you can go right ahead, but this is what I've been doing lately and I've been loving it. This eye look, fairly easy and beautiful all at the same time. And you know what I think about this lip combination. These two things, definitely Tay Rosé approved. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. Also, do not forget to click on this notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. And that's all I have for today. Please be sure to check out the previous video in the section that's coming up next, and I will see you there. Bye!